So since this build is costing us way more than we ever thought, I came up with the idea of taking regular sheets 4x8 of 5/8 MDF and changing them into Shiplap. And if you notice, the distance from here to here is 3/8, and the distance from here to here is 1/2 inch. So, just being desperate and trying to save as much money as I could, I took each 4x8 sheet. You can get 8 pieces. I should say 8 inches wide, 6 pieces of 5/8. So if you look at that, the way I do that is with this little gizmo. I wouldn't call it an invention, but if you look really close, there is a bit in there, double wing, 1 7/8 wide, and cuts about 1/2 inch. So I took this router table with a hold in this way, hold down that way, hold down that way. And then the cool thing is, when it goes through here, there's a power feed that's in a position, but it feeds it through at a consistent rate. Then I have the vacuum that goes out to here, and then I have that set at the door to shoot out the door. But the cool thing is, I came up with is that if you just take that 8-inch strip and you run it through the machine first on one side, then on the next, it's a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch. And then I take the whole stack and cut 1/8 off this one edge. But it went from being about $1.75 a foot to under 50 cents a foot to do these. And that's how I do it.